What's the meaning of ambassador at large? Ambassador at large. Ambassador at large. Ambassador at large. Ambassador at large. Ambassador at large.
An ambassador at large is a diplomatic role that is usually given to a high-ranking official who has a broad mandate to represent their country on a range of issues. They are responsible for building relationships, representing their country's interests, and promoting diplomatic initiatives. Unlike traditional ambassadors who are assigned to specific countries, ambassadors at large are expected to travel extensively and engage with a wide range of actors across different regions and issue areas. This allows them to engage in a more comprehensive approach to foreign policy, ensuring that their country's diplomatic efforts are coordinated and effective.